In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a size chart to your Shopify product page using the Dawn theme. This whole process will only take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in and make your store even more user-friendly for your customers. First things first, you're going to need to log into your Shopify account. If you're currently logged out, head over to the Shopify login page. Once there, click on the login button. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email. Go ahead and type it in. After that, click on continue with email. You'll then be asked to enter your password. Once you've entered your password, simply click on the login button and you'll be taken to your Shopify admin dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's get started on adding that size chart. From your dashboard, locate and click on My Store, then navigate to Themes to access your store's theme settings. Once there, click on Customize. This will bring you to the theme editor. In the theme editor, look to the left side of the screen and you'll see an option to view different parts of your website. Click where it says Homepage and choose Products from the drop-down menu. Following that, click on Default Product to begin editing the product page settings. Within the product page settings, scroll down to find the section labeled Product Information. Our goal here is to incorporate a collapsible row block that holds your size chart. To do this, look for the option to add a new block and select Add Collapsible Row Block. After the row appears, click directly on it to modify. Now let's name this collapsible row. Name it size chart to ensure it's easily identifiable for your customers. Next, you'll notice an option to set an icon. Click on it and select the ruler icon. This makes it intuitive for users to understand that this section pertains to sizing details. After setting the icon, you'll need to specify what content will fill this collapsible row. Click on Row Content from Page, which allows you to integrate a size chart that you've presumably already set up on a separate page in your Shopify store. You'll then be prompted to click Select, where you'll choose the page you've dedicated to housing your size chart details. Finally, with all the necessary configurations done, don't forget to click on Save to ensure all your changes and additions are stored. By completing these steps, your size chart is now fully integrated into your product pages, enabling customers to make more informed purchasing decisions. That's it.